Welcome back. In today's video I'll be showing you how to set up Google Pay and the Google Wallet on a Samsung phone. I'll show you how to add a card to the wallet for the first time, and all of the other steps related to Google Pay will be included, so at the end you can use your newly added card for contactless payments. Remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe if the video helps. Let's get into the method. To set up Google Pay on your device, first make sure you have the Google Wallet app. If you don't have it, you can find it in the Play Store. This app used to be called Google Pay, so if you have that, try updating it. Once you have the Wallet app, open it and then tap on where it says Add to Wallet at the bottom. Next, choose the option called Payment Card. Now tap on New Credit or Debit Card and make sure you have the card you want to add close by. You now have two options as to how to add your card details. Hold your phone over the card to scan it in the box to add the numbers automatically, or tap on Enter Card Details manually at the bottom to type them in. You need to enter the card number, the expiration date, security code, which is the 3 digits on the back, and you can confirm your address is accurate. The date and security code have to be entered manually on the next page if you scan your card. Once all the information is entered accurately, continue to the next page. You need to accept the terms and then the details will be processed. Allow this to complete. Once it has, you now need to verify your card. You should have a few options to do this. You can get a text, get a call, or use your mobile banking app. Follow the steps for each method, and if you verify via your mobile banking app, the process will vary based on each app, but usually you'll need to sign in and confirm the card registration. After this process is completed, you should have the option to turn on NFC if your phone has this feature. Make sure you enable this feature to allow you to use your newly added card for contactless purchases. You can turn this on or off later in the Quick Access menu. Next, tap on OK and then Explore Wallet to see your card. If you get the option to make Google Pay your default payment app, you can set this as default if you plan to use this app more than Samsung Pay, for example. Finally, you can tap on your card and then on Details at the bottom to view activity, and if you tap on the 3 dots icon in the top right, you can remove the card in the future if you want. That's how to set up Google Pay and the Google Wallet on a Samsung phone. Click the card on screen now to watch a video of mine showing you 10 easy ways to speed up your Samsung device. If you have any questions, then let me know in the comments below, and if you did find today's video helpful, remember to leave a like and feel free to subscribe for more tips in the future. Be sure to stick around to see some of my other videos that you might be interested in. Thanks so much for watching, and I will see you in another video.